I want to punch you in the face. I'm not going to, but I want to.
In the caption, you say, how does that make any sense? So this is why it makes sense. While vaccines have been proven to be very effective, they are not 100% effective. Just like birth control is not 100% effective and most things in medical care are not 100% effective, vaccines are not 100% effective. They are usually somewhere in the high 90th percentile of effectiveness based on research, which means that when your kid is vaccinated, there is still a small percentage that they could contract these diseases. It is just extremely unlikely. For example, in the current measles outbreak, about 96% of the 800 people that have contracted measles have been unvaccinated, and about 6% of them have been vaccinated with either 1 dose or 2 doses of the vaccine. Because they are not 100% effective, they are just extremely effective. And why they work so well, despite the fact that they are not 100% effective, is that we rely on what's called herd immunity, which means that because so many people are vaccinated, it is extremely unlikely that there are many people transmitting this disease because they're not catching the disease to be able to transmit it to other people. And so that extremely small chance that they could still get it even though they are vaccinated is really even smaller because people aren't getting it to be able to transmit it in the first place. But as more and more people are not vaccinating their children, there are more and more people who are able to contract this disease and then spread it. And so the chance, even though it's very small, that your kid who is vaccinated could get the disease still is now larger because there are more people who are transmitting the disease because there are more people who are more likely to catch the disease. And I do understand that there are some legitimate reasons for not vaccinating your children. There are some people who are immunodeficient and different various medical things that they cannot be vaccinated. And that's why it's even more important that people who can vaccinate their kids who do not have those extremely specific and very small percentage of people who cannot get them should get them because it protects the people who cannot get them for medical reasons. Anyways, I'm exhausted.